Today, we delve into the science and strategies behind optimizing sleep, a fundamental yet often neglected component of human health. Insomnia and inadequate sleep quality affect millions globally, resulting in cognitive impairments, diminished productivity, and heightened health risks. Pioneering sleep researcher Dr. Matthew Walker emphasizes that sleep is the cornerstone of mental and physical health. Chronic sleep deprivation compromises immune function, exacerbates stress, and increases the risk of severe illnesses such as cardiovascular disease. One of the most effective ways to improve sleep is by aligning your light exposure with your natural circadian rhythms. Dr. Andrew Huberman, a renowned neuroscientist, explains that light profoundly impacts our internal clocks. Morning light. Spend 10 to 15 minutes outside in natural sunlight upon waking. This practice promotes alertness and sets the stage for melatonin production at night. Evening light. Limit exposure to blue light from screens and overhead lighting at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Instead, use dim, warm-toned lighting to signal your body that it's time to rest. Your sleep environment significantly impacts sleep quality. Consider these key adjustments. Temperature. Maintain a room temperature of 60 degrees Fahrenheit 16 to 19 degrees Celsius, as a cooler environment promotes better sleep. Light control. Use blackout curtains or sleep masks to eliminate light disturbances. Noise reduction. Counteract disruptive sounds with white noise machines or earplugs. When and how you eat and exercise directly influence your sleep. Here's what science recommends. Meals. Finish eating at least 3 hours before bedtime to allow proper digestion. Exercise. Engage in regular physical activity, but avoid vigorous workouts within 2 to 3 hours of bedtime to prevent overstimulation. Managing stress is critical for sleep induction. Two proven techniques include box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and repeat. This technique calms the nervous system. Progressive muscle relaxation PMR. Sequentially tense and relax different muscle groups, starting at your feet and moving upward. While supplements are not a substitute for foundational practices, they can provide additional support. Melatonin. Effective for adjusting sleep cycles during jet lag or shift work. Use in moderation to prevent dependency. Magnesium. Supports muscle relaxation and reduces stress-induced wakefulness. Incorporate magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens and nuts. For those struggling with chronic insomnia, consider implementing these advanced techniques. Caffeine limitation. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. to minimize stimulant effects during the night. Consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily, even on weekends, to regulate your body clock. Reflective journaling. Spend a few minutes journaling before bed to declutter your mind and ease anxiety. Sleep is not a luxury but a necessity. By incorporating these scientifically backed strategies, you can transform your nights and elevate your overall health and productivity. Which of these tips are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more transformative content. Here's to peaceful nights and energized days.